This is Viru. I have made this another video for Redmi users. So after updating to MIUI 8.2, I was facing this no SMS notification sound issue. So whenever I was receiving SMS, it was not playing as sending any notification sound, no matter whatever ringtone I have set. And I tried almost every method. So finally one worked for me, and so I am sharing it with you so that you can try it. And so please note that I was just facing this issue that when I was receiving SMS, there was no notification sound for that, and everything else was working smoothly. So if your issue is different, this might not work for you. So let's begin. If you first of all you go to settings, then you go to additional settings here and go to backup and reset. Click on local backups and take a backup of all your apps and settings. So once you have backed up, I'm not going to do a backup because that will take some time. So when you have backed up, it will move to MIUI underscore backup folder under file explorer. So then you connect your phone to your PC and copy that backup to your PC, and after that just reset your phone. Here, click on here and reset your phone. This will remove all the apps, all the settings from your phone, and will reset it to your local factory version like the new phone you bought. And after that you can connect your phone to PC, connect your phone to PC, copy that backup from your local uh, uh, computer, and then you go to MIUI slash backup folder and paste it there. After that you again go to here backup, you click on local backup, then your backup will appear here and you will just need to click on restore. So once you do that, restore is once restoring is completed, you will get all your apps back with all the settings, and then you try doing that. Will work for me, and now I'm getting SMS notification sound. So let me show you, let me give you a proof that it's actually worked for me. So I'm just going to send SMS to my another number here. Let's wait for a while. Tweet, SMS. As you can see, it's working now. So guys, just give it a try and let me know if you're having any trouble. I will surely help you. You can post your questions or doubts in comment. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you found the video helpful. Bye bye. Take care.